This is chapter 20 of Howard Zinn's A People's History of the United States, and this is the 70s under control. In chapter 20, we talk about the low trust in government, and in fact, 40% of the professional people in America had low trust in their government, and also 66% of the unskilled people in America didn't trust the government as well. In fact, in 1972, the Honeywell Corporation was producing anti-personnel weapons used in Vietnam after the fact. And a poll was given out to the employees of Honeywell Corp asking if this production should be stopped, and the majority said yes, that it should be stopped. The American people began to realize that the government was abusing its power after the President Nixon's Watergate scandal incident. Nixon was trying to spy on other candidates and political enemies secretly and were caught, which led to the eventual Nixon's resignation as president and President Ford taking over in office. In March 1975, a survey revealed that more than 83% of Americans agreed that the government officials running the country were not telling the truth on most of what they were saying. So during this time, a lot of distrust in the government. And so a large affair that happened during this time was the Maygis affair, and that was when an American cargo ship and soldiers on the cargo ship were stopped by Cambodians while approaching Cambodia. And even though they were released unharmed by the Cambodians, President Ford bombed and attacked the people of Cambodia. This was to show that America, even though it had a small defeat in Vietnam, was still a very powerful nation, and it increased the tensions and the untrustfulness between the American people and the government, and how the 70s during that time was not a very trustworthy period between the government and the people, and further actions needed to take place in order to put that trust back together.